Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Sanil Mhatre from the Spam Squad. In this video, I would like to demonstrate you our project which is Phishing Email Detector. As you can see, this is the code for a prototypic Flask web application which detects phishing email by using various machine learning modules and rule-based techniques. It includes various libraries such as Flask, Werkzeug, Jinja, Scikit-learn, numpy, scipy, OS, train model, email parser, and many such others. Let me demonstrate you our website. We run the app, then we click on this link here. As you can see, the website has been opened. The first page shows what are phishing emails and how to use this website. And now I click on the choose file option. Here I will upload my emails in the format of .eml files which I had downloaded earlier from my Gmail application. You can also download it from your Outlook application. As soon as I upload, the name of the EML files and total number of files gets displayed here. Now I click on upload and detect. You can see the results have been displayed. The first email was legitimate while the rest two were suspicious and phishing emails. You can see the result has been displayed in such format that you can see the metadata, the content of the email, the detection summary, and the phishing traits which are detected, such as presence of suspicious links, sensitive personal details, or any language of urgency. Let's collectively view these emails. I click on this link here. You can see the flagged emails in a tabular format with the content as well as the phishing traits which are identified in them. Now we click on this link here to view the OWASP guidelines. These OWASP guidelines are both for the user as well as the app creators. By clicking on this button, we go back to home page. This was the very first prototype which we had built. The previous one which you saw was an updated version of this one. Still, I will show you the website. We click on this link here, and yeah, the home page has been opened. The email files need to be copy pasted here instead of uploading them as .eml files. We can input multiple emails by separating them with two blank lines or one dashed lines. However, this is a very hectic job because you need to copy paste the emails from multiple folders. Moreover, there is a risk that you might click on the suspicious or the fake links while doing so. Still, I will show you the website. We click on this button, and yeah, you can see the results have been displayed. The first two were suspicious and the last one was legitimate. You can see here, this was a failed prototype which we had built earlier in order to directly open our emails using our email ID and password and then detect whether they are phishing or not. However, this website was very risky to use as it was built using IMAP server. The IMAP server gets hacked many a times, and that's why it poses the risks of our email ID, our passwords, and our other personal details getting leaked. That's why we decided to use different APIs and cloud services such as Google Cloud, MS Graph, and Amazon SES. However, as we were short of time and also we needed to post our personal banking details onto this cloud services, we couldn't build a perfect prototype. However, we ensure you that we will make a perfect website which will directly open our emails and detect whether they are phishing or not during the main hackathon event.